now is Bravo, 31 Bravo. Outbound is 4423, going to Valley Dome.
Okay, 31 Bravo, that's Raleigh. American 1613?
1613?
Yeah, just have any word on us? We're about 6 minutes past departure time, and we don't see anybody downstairs at all.
1613, I'm not sure if anybody kept you posted, but there was a bag room outage here that kind of just royally messed things up, and they're trying to catch up on that. Give me just a moment, I'm going to call you back as soon as I get an answer how much you're missing and how long they take here.
Okay, thanks very much. Appreciate it.